to our third big debate. It's 8 months to the UP elections, and there is no slowing Yogi Adityanath. After cracking down on the mafia, after halting forced conversions, and after an unapologetic population policy, he's now cracking down on Rohingyas. Can the opposition really use the narrative of polarization to cast a shadow over pro-India measures? Here is the story, the latest developments from UP today, and then we debate.
In Yogi Adityanath's Uttar Pradesh, a massive crackdown and cleanup is underway. This time, the focus is on the illegal Rohingyas. The Uttar Pradesh ATS has arrested a 3-member gang for operating a human trafficking racket. The gang of Noor Mohammad, Rahmatullah and Shabiullah were allegedly involved in illegal trafficking of Bangladesh and Myanmar nationals into the country.
नूर जो सरगना है, नूर इस्लाम उर्फ मोहम्मद नूर ने यह भी बताया कि उसका एक अन्य साथी उनको रिसीव करने के लिए दिल्ली स्टेशन पर आने वाला है और वहाँ उस व्यक्ति को भी हमारी टीम ने एप्रीहेंड किया। टोटल 6 व्यक्ति हम लोगों ने हिरासत में लिए। अभी तक के जो पूछताछ हुई है उसके हिसाब से इसमें 2 महिलाएं जो कि नाबालिग लग रही हैं और एक और व्यक्ति है जो कि जिसकी तस्करी हो रही थी। तो 3 ऐसे हैं जो कि विक्टिम हैं और 3 ऐसे व्यक्ति हैं जो कि अपराधी हैं। इनको अपराधियों को हिरासत में लिया गया है। फर्दर रिमांड लेके पूछताछ की जाएगी।
The UP ATS cracked the nexus and deep investigation is underway as a larger smuggling angle emerges.
मनी ट्रेल के बारे में बात आई है और हम लोग आपको जब चीज़ें हमारी चूँकि जो आर्थिक पहलू है उसको जांच करने में और उसका इन्वेस्टिगेशन करने में वो थोड़ा समय लगता है और जब तक पूरे साक्ष्य एकत्रित नहीं हो जाए हम कोई चीज़ ऐसे आपको नहीं बता सकते। लेकिन बहुत जल्द ही हम जब उसको फाइनलाइज करेंगे तो आपको हम पूरा विवरण अवश्य देंगे।
But this is not the first such crackdown. Last week, Yogi Adityanath government bulldozed in Delhi a Rohingya camp and vacated land worth 150 crore rupees, even as an Aam Aadmi Party MLA reportedly tried to prevent the action. Today and in the past, Yogi Adityanath has seemed to have an explanation for every big bold step taken, regardless of the opposition's criticism. The unsparing and unforgiving action ahead of the UP elections is a statement of intent. There will be no sympathy for illegal infiltrators on Indian soil. Yogi Adityanath's message is clear. Will the opposition's trope of claiming polarization work in face of a pro-India action? Let's debate.
Guru Prakash Paswan of the BJP, Firoz Bakht Ahmed, Chancellor of Maulana Azad National Urdu University, Subui Khan. You know, there are many things that Atikur Rahman, Mehez Khan and Dr. Neeti Shikha may do. But there's one thing even Atikur Rahman cannot do. And that, Subui, he cannot support human trafficking. So Subui, unless Atikur Rahman is a supporter of human trafficking, he cannot take an anti-Yogi position tonight. That's the only issue. I commend and applaud Yogi Adityanath for the crackdown on Rohingyas who have been doing human trafficking, besides, of course, being illegal infiltrators on our land. Subui, do you think Atikur Rahman will support even this because it's the Rohingyas doing it?
Arnab, even I'm really interested to see what would be Mr. Atikur Rahman's stand today, because as Mr. Prashant Kumar, ADG Law and Order, has categorically mentioned that 6 people have been apprehended, out of which 3 were minors. That means 3 people who have been apprehended were victims of this human trafficking. So I really want to see what Atikur Rahman says, because even if it, even if it's about land jihad, or even if it's about conversion, if it's about love jihad, if it's about, speaking against terrorism, he always finds one excuse or the other. Even if he will condemn it, his sentence would be preceded by a but. So first I would like to listen what he's saying, then I would make my points further.
Thank you, Subui. May I?
Atikur Rahman, an international gang bringing in citizens of Bangladesh and Myanmar to India, human trafficking to settle them in Noida, Ghaziabad and Delhi. Minor women. The human trafficking includes trafficking of minor women. Now I want to see today, I want to see Firoz Bakht Ahmed, if Atikur Rahman will support the trafficking of minor women. Will he do that, Firoz Bakht Ahmed? Will Mehez Khan support that as well? Because it's the Rohingyas who are doing it.
May I, Arnab? Allow me.
He will
Firoz
not
Sahab,
support that, but he will make it a Hindu-Muslim issue.
Why will he make it a Hindu-Muslim issue?
All right,
How is it a Hindu-Muslim
Firoz
issue?
Sahab.
Please.
How is human trafficking a Hindu-Muslim issue? I
He
fail to
always
understand.
does that. Where
It's a human
Please allow
issue.
me.
No, he will do that.
Please
You
allow
see,
me.
he will finally he will
rather-
come down to that only. That is the lowest level one can stoop to.
You think so? I don't think so.
Arnab, I would be quite blunt today. And please do not mind my blunt words.
All
Here
right.
I go. This is a humanitarian crisis, Arnab. And a humanitarian crisis cannot be understood by the Godse lovers. This can be understood only by the Gandhian Indian people. Herein the Yogi Adityanath government is a Godse-loving government. And they are using the ATS and the state police as their pawns, and as their puppets, and as their parrots, which you are supporting.
Guru Prakash
And I
Paswan
am
responding on the
amazed
debate,
to
2 versus 2,
see how
opening up
your
the debate right now.
panelists
Guru Prakash
are
Paswan and Firoz
supporting
Bakht Ahmed are on the
Yogi
debate
Adityanath,
Who do you love?
with Atikur
Who do
Rahman
you
and
love?
Mehez Khan.
Tell me, do you love Jinnah? Do you love China? Do you love Imran Khan? Tell me, sir, do you love Jinnah? Do you love Imran Khan?
Why did Gandhi support human trafficking?
No, he does not.
When did Gandhi support
Arey,
human
he does
trafficking?
not love.
Why are you defaming?
Let me
Why are you
tell
defaming
that
Gandhi?
Aditya-
Why are you defaming Gandhi? When did Gandhi support human trafficking? Why are you misleading the nation? Why are you misleading
and he
the
loves all the
nation?
Muslims and Hindus of his state, irrespective of their religion.
No, we must understand one thing, that Mr. Atikur
All right,
Rahman,
Gaurav.
Mr. Atikur Rahman, you should stop misleading the country.
Mind you, friend.
You are misleading the country, my friend. You are misleading the country. When did Gandhi support human trafficking? When did Gandhi
The
support
country
smuggling?
is not
When
your
did Gandhi
puppet
support
running on your
involuntary religious
strings.
conversion?
I
When
have
did Gandhi
no
support
counts
illegal
regarding
immigration?
my
You have no
countrymen.
evidence.
They are
Please
quite
stop
absolute
basing
in
your
their right to
argument on
understand
conjectures.
the
Please
things
stop shouting.
which the
Please stop
BJP
shouting.
led
You see, your
RSS wants to run
face
in
is
our
now
country.
exposed in front of
Don't
the entire
undermine
country.
don't undermine
are
the
exposed
caliber
in
of
front
my
of the entire
countrymen,
country.
sir.
You cannot use the name
You
of
have
Gandhi.
no right
You
to
cannot
undermine
abuse the
the
name of Gandhi.
countrymen.
You cannot misuse
They
the
are
name of
quite
Gandhi for your
it is their
political
right to
purposes.
use their own
Avoid that,
analogies.
sir. Avoid that. That is unacceptable. Please don't malign the name of Mahatma Gandhi. Please don't malign the name of Mahatma Gandhi. Do you even understand the context here? Please get a sense of perspective. There are
You
so
want
many
to
wrongs at so
idealize
many levels.
Godse,
There are
and
so
you are
many wrongs
charging
at
me
so
not
many
to malign
levels.
the father of the
I'm not
nation.
going to shout, sir.
Then
I'm
say,
not going to shout.
Godse
I'm younger
Murdabad.
than you. I can shout.
Say
I'm
Godse
younger than
Murdabad.
you.
Say
I'm
Godse
younger than
Murdabad.
you. You cannot
Arnab,
polarize
let me
it.
Arnab, give me a minute.
Is the Rohingya crisis
Give me a
not
few seconds in the
humanitarian
sideline.
crisis?
I'll respond to him. I'll give him a very blunt response.
I want to say
Suniye,
something.
Vakil Sahab, let
A
me
question
also
asked tonight,
speak very
Firoz.
bluntly.
Just a one-line response. Yeah, go on. You can speak and then I'll get Mehez to respond to you. Go on. A question asked.
No,
Does Dr. Niti Shikha
sure,
also
sure.
want to come in?
No,
One second. I think Dr. Niti Shikha has come on
Yes.
my
Yes,
program
yes.
for the first
Arnab,
time,
I
and
would
she
like to
should be
say
allowed to
something.
have a say. 1 minute.
Yes.
1 minute. Just 1 minute. Dr. Niti Shikha will
Thank
speak.
you so much. Thank you.
Then
so
you
much,
come in,
Arnab.
Firoz Bakhtiar.
Arnab.
Yes, Dr. Niti Shikha.
Thank you so much, Arnab.
Yes.
I'm
Okay.
I'm
Yeah,
glad that
let me hear. Yeah.
Thank you so much,
Yes, Dr.
Arnab.
Shikha.
I would like to say that the whole opening of debate, we have tried to make it a Mr. Yogi versus Rohingyas, which is not right. We are talking about a humanitarian crisis which India is handling at hands. And, you know, somehow we try to make Mr. Yogi Adityanath as a superhero, which is not right. And it is not about, you know, it's not about whether what, you know, you have already termed that it's a right crackdown. You've already termed that they were illegal people. The inquiry is still on. How could we come to such conclusions? The point we're debating here, how should India react to Rohingyas? How should a UP government treat Rohingya refugees? I'm really upset to see the Supreme Court use the word illegal immigrants.
Okay,
India is still, there's absence of law. We don't have a law which, no, let me complete it. How could we term them as illegal immigrants? There has to be inquiry made into it. And of course, if they are found guilty, they must be punished.
How can you say India has no law?
I forgot, I missed out a bit of what you said.
Against these infiltrators, these Bangladeshis. No. I am sorry to interrupt.
ECJ
how
has
come
clearly
she can say India has
that
no law?
Rohingya issue.
India has a very compact law.
Let me complete.
You know, the best law in the world is in India. No, you can't say that.
India
do you think India can these infiltrators go to Canada? Can these infiltrators can they go to Pakistan even? Can they go to Malaysia? Can they go to Australia? But they come to India. And you are talking about
Foreign Act, Foreigners
question
Act,
of
and not
humanity.
under Refugees Act. No, let me tell you. No, nobody's anti-Indian here, sir. I'm as much as Indian as you are. But let me clarify here as a lawyer at least that we are trying these people under
Let me tell you one thing. You are defending them.
But the point I'm trying to...
And let me also tell you,
Dr. Shikha.
Let me also tell you, Dr.
I'm
Saab,
not defending them. I'm just...
Dr. Shikha.
NRC is for these people. NRC is not against Muslims. Let me tell you, please understand. All the Muslims who are catering to me, who are listening to me, let me tell them...
Dr. Shikha is on the debate with Subui is also on the debate. I'd like to bring in Subui to counter your point, but Dr. Shikha, may I respond to you? Dr. Shikha, may I respond to you? 1 minute. Dr. Shikha, may I respond to you before Subui comes in to respond to you?
And you know, human trafficking...
Okay, we lost the line with Subui, so before Guru comes in, I want to respond.
Should be completely stopped.
Dr. Shikha, may I? Dr. Shikha? Dr. Shikha? Dr. Shikha, may I please? May I attempt?
Sir.
May I attempt?
Sir.
You asked, what should be our responsibility towards this humanitarian crisis? And do we accept or not that there is a humanitarian crisis? Without trying to be cheeky, my first response to this would be, it is a humanitarian crisis, but it is a crisis for us Indians. The biggest crisis is that dozens of thousands of illegal infiltrators with terrorist links, running fake currency rackets, doing human trafficking, have illegally entered my country and are threatening its internal security. That is the human crisis for us. So we are the victims of the crisis. Second is, your second question is, you elaborate and you say, what should be our responsibility towards the Rohingyas? To which my straight answer, and Subui can respond, is, we don't know anything to the Rohingyas. Why is it my problem? It's their problem. They're not from my country, they're foreigners.
It is our problem. Arnab, it is our problem.
They didn't ask me whether they want to enter my country. Why should I take responsibility for them? I don't owe them anything. I don't owe a single Rohingya anything.
Problem that the countries did not have vaccination.
That is not being myopic, that is realistic.
No, in international diplomacy,
that is realistic.
You have to take steps.
I cannot open my countries. I don't have space. We don't have jobs. We don't have land.
Outside India.
No, the Rohingyas are not my problem.
Am I audible to you?
Rohingyas are not my problem.
Come on.
They're not my problem. Simple. Why should they be my problem? America is a richer country. Let them go to America. Why don't they settle down in Minnesota? No, why don't they settle down in Minnesota?
India was a poor country.
Canada has a lot of land.
Vaccination outside India.
Send them to Canada. Why don't they stay in Canada? All these quote-unquote. Let them go to Scandinavia. No, let them go to Norway or Finland. Let them go to Scandinavia. Why have you come to my country? I don't owe them anything.
Arnab, I have another
we should show them the door.
This.
Subui is on the debate. Subui.
Yes, yes. Arnab, they always try to make this Rohingya issue a human right issue and why we can't give them space. They have been victimized. They need some place to stay. I always maintain that it is not a matter of human rights. It is a matter of law. We have no problem with people, with refugees who come with clear intentions.
Yes.
We have no problem with refugees who come with valid documents, who stay in the country like refugees. In the garb of being a citizen, you live in our country, you violate our constitution, you are involved in all the criminal activities.
Madam, we are talking about people who have left their land because crisis and India has celebrated its democracy.
Let me finish, madam.
Madam, we are the largest democracy in the world.
ISI-operated Rohingya Liberation Front was being run in Jammu and Kashmir. Donations were being taken from foreign countries. A proper agenda is being run against the country. We understand that India is a pot of all the civilizations, but now the time has come that the pot itself is melting. All the acidic substance need to be thrown out of the pot, as Arnab said,
there's a process
because now
of
the
law,
pot
madam.
is
There's
melting.
a process of law. No.
Okay, what is the process of law?
Madam, there's a process of law that needs to be
people who were
followed.
involved in human trafficking is not the process of law.
There should be inquiry. There should be valid verification.
Constitution, Article 23 of the Indian Constitution.
Mehez is also on the debate, Mehez Khan.
Madam, then we have Article 23.
Countering you, Subui. Mehez Khan enters the debate, Mehez Khan.
Unconstitutional statement on a national
I'm
TV.
countering Suboi. Suboi, let me. Suboi, give us a moment. Give us a moment. You're done. Your time is up. Let us talk. It is extremely shameful that we have to argue to a level of your caliber on a human right topic here. You're not even supposed to be on a show of this caliber, my dear. Secondly, do not talk about refugees.
Do not make personal remarks.
Refuge law
Do not make personal remarks. I talked about Article 23 of the Constitution. Give me a reply. In the ambit of law,
look at your intelligence,
you are an
your
Indian citizen if I'm not
You are coming
wrong.
on a topic for Rohingya and you have
Do
no
not
clue
make
about
unconstitutional
what exactly it takes to be
statements.
a refugee. You're talking about an illegal document. Do you understand what is a refugee status? Somebody who has been left exodus without document.
I'm really surprised today. I'm really surprised today. Okay, so as per you, all the Rohingyas have legal documents. They come
clean.
clean.
Understand?
Wow, they have clear intentions.
I've
Wow.
worked with Rohingya communities,
what
my
are you
dear.
making? What
Come down,
statements are
come
you
to
making on
Madhurpur
national
Khadar,
TV?
work with children. These are human rights. Do you understand, lady? Lady, go and get your facts clear. I want to probably laugh, but it is a serious topic to have a discussion, not people like you. It is silly for me to even talk to people like you.
Arnab, will you ask her to not make any personal comments? I'm not here to take
No, I think Mehez, you can make your point without the personal comments.
Yes.
India does not have
No,
a law.
Mehez, I think you can make your point without the personal comments. I agree with that.
Which is coming from Tibet and Sri Lanka.
Arnab, can you listen to me in
Look
the sideline?
Look at what
I have a question for
Look
Mehez.
at what she's talking.
Arnab, let me ask a question from
This is a
Mehez.
national television. She's misleading people. I have to get her right. She's misleading people.
Mehez, you're getting a counter.
Get your facts right. Do you understand
tell
what
me
is a
one
refugee
thing.
status?
Can you...
Do you understand
Mehez,
what is a refugee status?
can you
and what is
support
a
some
document?
Bangladeshis
These are not
or Rohingyas who have come to your office or to your house without documents?
As a refuge. Please go back and get your facts
Mehez,
right. Do
you
some
answer
reading
this
about
question.
what it takes to be a refugee.
Continuously you are speaking and not listening
People
to others.
like you,
Have some manners,
like
Mehez.
you who have no rhyme
This is an
understanding
international
about
debate,
what it
Mehez.
takes to be
Tell me.
on this debate.
Answer
We are
my
very
question.
well-mannered. We are very
Will you support
well-mannered.
some
We are very
Rohingyas
well-mannered,
in your
sir. Do
office
you
or in
understand?
your
You
house?
asked me,
Tell
I'm
me this
putting a
thing.
question.
Huh?
Yes,
you
I'm
are talking
putting a
about
question to
human
you.
rights.
Yes, I
These
will.
are the
I
people
will
who have
on a
no valid
humanitarian
documents,
ground.
and
I am
India
part of
allowed
an
them
international
when they were being
community. You are part
annihilated
of an international community.
in
You will
Myanmar.
recognize.
Then what
You
happened?
people like
India
you
let
have
them in
no idea
and they came
what
inside.
exactly
But
is
when they
refugee.
started
It is
indulging
sad,
in
it is
illegal
sorry.
activities,
Sir,
in
you do
terrorist
not even
activities,
understand what
they created a
exactly
lot of
refugee
hullabaloo
status is all
in
about.
India. Then
You
only,
have no idea.
the
You
questions
have
were
no
raised.
idea.
And you are talking
Tell me
about
what
human
are
rights.
Tibetans-
There is no
what
other
is
country in the
Tibet
world
community
which is
doing in
better in
India?
terms of human
What
rights
is
as
Tibet
India is,
community
right?
doing in
Dr.
India?
Neeti
What is
Shikha is
Tibet
responding
been
on it.
supporting,
doing in India?
the people
Do you
from
understand?
all over the world.
Absolutely not.
And
So
you
there are-
and
Do not understand.
don't speak.
Can I
don't speak like a foghorn.
Can I, Mehez, 1 minute, Mehez.
India is the best country
Please
in
just go
terms of
back
human
and
rights.
simple point blank.
Mehez, will you support Rohingyas in your house? Tell me, can you just support one Rohingya in your house? Answer this question. You are so personal with Subuhi. You were personal with Subuhi, and you referred to some unconstitutional thing. एक बात का जवाब दे दीजिए सुबुही, क्या आप अपने ऑफिस में या अपने घर में will you support some Rohingyas? Will you support some Bangladeshis who are without passport, who are without legal documents? Tell me this thing. And there is human trafficking. They are bringing these young girls.
No, Mehez responding quickly. Mehez,
exploited. Do you think
Dr. Neeti Shukla will respond now. Dr. Neeti Shukla.
They refuse to have a document because they do not have a document. That is why.
No, I am sorry.
Sir,
don't speak like a foghorn, Mehez.
माननीय
Once
महोदय
when
ने
you
मुझसे
start,
पूछा कि क्या हम
just like a
रोहिंग्या
tape
को
recorder, you go on speaking. You don't listen. You know, this is an international level debate. People must be making fun of you. People must be mocking at you. Please listen to others also, Mehez. Mehez, just
Dr. Shikha, Dr. Shikha, Dr. Shikha, 1 minute. Dr. Shikha, Dr. Shikha.
मानी महोदय ने कहा कि क्या हम उनको अपने घर में रखेंगे?
Dr. Shikha, can I put it differently? Dr. Shikha, can I put it differently to you if you allow me? If you allow me, 1 minute. Firoz, 1 minute. Firoz, 1 minute. Can I put it differently? I have just 30 seconds left. Dr. Shikha, the question is to you. The question is to you. Dr. Shikha, the question is to you. Please. Firoz, 1 minute. Firoz, Saab, 1 minute. Firoz, Saab, 1 minute. Dr. Shikha, hear me, please.
Sure.
Dr. Shikha, hear me, please.
Yes.
You and I are not infiltrators. We were born in this country's soil. Okay? So we are bona fide Indian citizens.
Yes.
If you or I have links to terrorism, fake currency rackets, we will not be spared. Now the nation wants to know that if Rohingyas have links to terrorist groups, you say don't do anything. If they are running fake currency rackets, you say don't do anything. If they are doing human trafficking, you say no, don't do anything. I want to know why infiltrators on my soil should have special status, special treatment over Indian citizens. Yes,
India gave
I want to hear it.
No, Arnab.
But
no,
I want to hear it.
Nobody is asking
I want to hear
for
the response from Dr. Shikha.
But everybody is asking to recognize this basic
I want to hear the
human
response.
rights. No, Arnab, I don't agree with your statement. Nobody is saying here that there should be special.
Well, Dr. Shikha, I am short of time. I want you to respect. Dr. Shikha, all I'll say tonight at the end, I want you to respect our human rights. Our human rights, your and my human rights are also a matter of concern. I think about it, I worry about it all the time. And there are a couple of messages on Arnab online I want to read out tonight. Guru Kusha Valsia says, Arnab, first I want to tell you that I'm very happy to see you back in your studio with your awesome style. Thank you very much. Very embarrassing to read your own praise in messages, but she says, God bless you and God always protect you from evil people. Well, thank you. The Lord above and the people of the country always protect us from evil people. They do. I do believe in it. Shelly Mishra says, sir, the debate on Parliament lockdown was amazing, well-researched facts. Well, I have a absolutely great research team. I can't tell you how proud I am of them. And I look forward to seeing you tomorrow at 9, ladies and gentlemen, from the studio. Good night and goodbye.